All serious aspirants are able to solve polity, economy, and geography questions in the prelims. But when it comes to ancient and medieval history and art and culture, everyone stands on the same platform. Whether you are a fresher or a repeater, attempts don't matter here. Most aspirants end up guessing answers, relying on vague recall, and finally getting stuck in a dicey zone near the cutoff. And it is exactly here where margins matter that marks are lost or gained. To create a clear edge over the cutoff, Vision IAS Prelims Speed Up is for you. The real challenge with history and culture is not effort but direction. Multiple sources, overlapping facts, confusing timelines, and factual overload make these subjects risky. UPSC further complicates things by framing indirect elimination-based questions where partial knowledge often backfires. As a result, even well-prepared aspirants hesitate at crucial moments. Prelims Speed Up is designed as a 20-day last-mile score booster to solve this exact problem. Instead of broad coverage, the program focuses only on high-grade areas that UPSC repeatedly asks in ancient history, medieval history, and art and culture. The emphasis is on conceptual clarity, chronology, and intelligent linkage, so facts finally start making sense together. With concept-driven classes, the course tells you what to remember, what to ignore, and how to apply. Structured daily practice and tests train your mind for elimination, helping you avoid traps and guess less. The Smart Source consolidated content removes the burden of multiple books and speeds up the revision. In just 20 focus classes for ancient and medieval history and art and culture, Prelims Speed Up converts static confusion into scoring confidence. If you want to move from cutoff anxiety to cutoff safety in Prelims 2026, this program gives you that decisive edge. Join today to get this edge.